wasn't one of us dropping a grenade.
Oh, it was me. Threw it in this window.
Oh my god. Just tried to wallbang me, the motherfucker. I'm very close to dying, boys.
Going right past is gonna go to you. Do the med kit right here.
I've got one here, dude. It's all good.
Can't punch this fucking dude one more time. Hit the boss one time.
Got one. Oh my god, clip that fucking shit.
It's white now.
Yeah, no, they're still here.
There's one. Tag them.
I'm gonna wrap around and get a heads up from the sniper, man. That's not sensible, don't you think?
Boss is dead.
Well done, Bucker. Well played.
I tagged him to the right.
Oh, we need to burn. Ron, can you burn that guy that I killed?
They're both dead, dude, guys.
You got any fire?
Sounds like
They're both
everybody.
dead.
Oh, nice.
We got vultures.
There's levels to this fucking game, and these pussies ain't
Oh,
on our
you
level.
have Vulture?
We got vultures.
Alright. Yeah, baby.
It's as simple as that, man. Where's the third?
Mountain King ain't gonna get it done. I don't know where the second or the third is.
So there's one up here, and then there's one. I'll show you the one that I killed. He's just to the left of the main barn, as you're looking at it now.
What fucking couple of bitches. Who's this dude's
Yeah,
guns?
Balco. The other one's just back there behind that hay.
Oh, he's got double fucking cuts, it looks like.
Ooh.
Which I can actually carry. You don't want it, Jack. You got it.
No, it's all yours, my dude.
Oh, it's cold. You say he was left to the barn?
Yeah, just behind the hay bales. Ball bag.
I can go lay down. Am I warm or cold?
Oh no, but here, dude. Right down there. A bit further, like here somewhere.
Shy.
Sit in this here house and see if I can see him coming.
I think they heard how short that battle was, and they don't want fucks to.
Probably, you're probably right. As I said, man, there's fucking levels to this, and these motherfuckers are not out of it. Kev knows, don't you, Kev?
Hell yeah, brother.
You boys want to grab the bounty? Because I'm sniping. And we'll head north or west. We got Lawson. There's a toolbox down there.
Oh, we got team southwest.
Southwest. Oh, okay.
He's far. I only saw one.
Oh, I see him. Yeah. You just... Oh, fucker. Over here. I see you. Go and pick that shit again. Oh.
Yeah, there's two of them. One there and
Okay,
one over here.
I think I killed one.
Sounded like you got hurt, not died.
Okay. I shot him in the face.
Here they're rotating. There's one over here.
Motherfucker.
To the left.
Any health kits anyway?
Where they at?
You got fucking dark side.
Southwest. West.
There's one right here. There's one over there.
Alright.
You guys on the roof?
Nope.
Yeah, I am. Okay, he's hurting. This one here. So I shot him in the fucking head there. What the fuck? Of course.
I got one out here. We dropped it here.
This one's to the right.
I'm going in to kill him.
There's one right here. Somebody else is shooting silenced.
Yeah, he kept fucking tagging
It's
me.
right behind this fence.
Okay,
Right.
so he's in front.
I'm bleeding, Hocus, cover me. 20 meters through the wall.
Come on! Fuck!
Through the wall, Charlie. Right next to me. I think it's my... I'm gonna get the guy up that Hocus killed earlier.
Ah, fuck. Motherfuckers. They're flanking me. Fuck.
They got the... Fucker that killed me! Fuck
Sit
you!
the fuck down. Where's his dead body? There, okay.
Go get him. Somebody's up to the left. Nice.
Have that, you
1v1.
can. 1v1, let's have it. Ah.
Alright. I'm looping back to the bodies.
Yeah. Do you want to get run up, actually?
Oh, you got them? You see the bodies?
Yeah, actually, I'll get run.
That seems like that guy's running.
Yeah, he's shit his jokes, didn't he?
I can light
You
the
want
other
none of
guy.
that, mate.
I missed them. I'll get some.
Right, I'll loot him quickly, you know.
I'll loot him too. You already looted him, Charlie.
Oh, that one, yeah. I'll go get the other one. Okay, so he's 2
He's right there.
300. Yeah. He's dead. Sit the fuck down.